Welcome to forever, man. Let's go. Come on. This forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. Go. And there will be no surrender.
Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O.N. to the easy E.N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But his lines are overhead. Better check the end. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get him that coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with passes. Getting it right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never will die. Yeah.
I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. La la la.
Making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. It's like forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know. It's like forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know. It's like forever. I am keeping a legacy. I am the one of the days. Got something to say, you know I've been waiting to pace. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, the ways. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Yeah. Loving and hating me, fitting and everything. Not on my level. You can't be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo. This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. And there ain't no king that you'll be taking from you. Man, the king of nothing made. Something named.